Hi, I'm Joseph Wong, and this is part 3 of my storytelling series explaining why you should use storytelling as much as you can if you wish to win over any audience. If you have followed parts 1 and 2 so far, you might realize that telling a good story is more than a technique. In fact, it's more of how your mind develops the story for your target audience. The most important part in how your mind does that is centered around getting your audience emotionally invested. You see, emotionally connected people are more likely to do what you ask. Emotionally connected people become more loyal and committed for the long term. Emotionally connected people align their goals with yours. Watch this presentation I gave recently. Right, the year was 1999. The date, Friday, October 15. I was jolted out of my sleep by a phone call at 5:45 in the morning. Now, how many of you enjoy receiving a call in the wee hours of the morning? Right, it's probably bad news, right? You see, within 20 seconds of my start, I already engaged my audience with a question that aligns how they feel with how I feel, answering a phone call at 5:45 in the morning. The first step is always to know what kind of audience you have. In this recent presentation, my audience was mostly parents with young children. Knowing your audience is key to deciding the most compelling story that would make them emotionally invested in your subject matter. The second step is to include enough examples that gravitate with their experiences and value system. Remember, your goal is to align your content with what matters to them emotionally. And the third step is to bring your audience into your story as often as possible. For instance, with an example or a question that makes them participate in the discussion. As you can see, storytelling isn't just about you telling a story and everyone else listens. Plan instead to get your audience emotionally invested in your subject matter with poignant examples and engaging questions. So you see the importance of planning your story, which is what I will be covering in part 4. So I hope to see you then.